In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Telegram for your OFM model. We'll go through the full setup from account creation to channel setup, access control, and content organization, so everything looks professional and works smoothly. First, install the official Telegram app on your phone. Once it's installed, open it and tap Start Messaging. Telegram will ask for your phone number so it can create and verify your account. Enter your number, then type in the verification code that gets sent to you. After that, set up your display name and add a profile photo. Choose a name and image that match your brand identity, since this is one of the first things people may see. Next, create a professional username. To do that, go into Settings and tap Username. Here you'll want to choose something clean, simple, and brand friendly, like your brand name or a close variation. Save it once you're happy with it. This step is important because it allows fans to find you through your username instead of seeing your private phone number, which adds a layer of privacy and professionalism. Now it's time to create your private paid channel. Tap the compose icon for a new message, then select New Channel. Enter your channel name using your brand name so it's instantly recognizable. When Telegram asks about visibility, choose Private Channel, then tap Create. Making the channel private is essential because it gives you control over who gets access. After that, set up your subscription access. There are two ways to do this. The first option is a manual payment system. In that case, post your subscription details inside the channel or in your onboarding message, including your price and your accepted payment methods. Once someone pays, you manually add that user to the private channel. This method is simple and works well when you're starting out. The second option is bot automation. You can create a bot through BotFather, then use a subscription bot tool or platform to connect your payment flow and set up an automatic invite system. This is useful if you want to save time and reduce manual work as you grow. Next, secure your channel. Open the channel settings and turn on content protection if you want that added layer of control. Also review the options that limit forwarding and screenshots where Telegram makes those features available. These settings help protect your content and reduce unauthorized sharing. Once the setup is done, focus on content strategy. Post teaser content regularly to keep interest high. Pin your most important messages, especially subscription information and payment instructions, so new visitors can quickly understand how access works. You can use photos, videos, and stories if that feature is available on your account. Finally, if people are joining without paying, make sure your channel is private and only share invite links after payment. If your bot isn't working, check your BotFather token and confirm the bot is properly connected to your payment system. And if subscribers aren't joining, improve your promo content and share your link on social media more effectively.